Hey Joey, what you doing?
Watching the people come in from the great outdoors while I stay in here trapped in a wrapper just waiting to be bitten into and teared to shreds at different times. Nothing much.
HMMM. Okay.
Well, I have been waiting to ask you something lately, and I didn't know how you would respond. So I waited a day.
Okay then what is it? Is it that your wrapper is unzipped?
No, but thanks for telling me. Here is what I needed to tell you. Do you wanna be my girlfriend?
Oh my gosh. Yes, I would love to. We could go on adventures throughout the restaurant on one of those trays that those so-called people carry around with our friends.
Yeah, that would be cool. And when our time comes, we will be finally put on one of those red trays and carried to the garbage can by a waiter or waitress and rest in holy peace.
Yeah. That time is coming up fast. We better get married before, well, you know, the thing happens to us. Let's get married right now. What do you think? Give me a French fry ring.
You mean to propose with? Oh, of course you do. I think I had a brain fart for a second there. I don't like those and they surprisingly feel like brain freeze. Awkward, right?